What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to download your Revolut statement, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's move on to the process, how to download a statement. So first of all, how to find it. So you can download the statement for transactions of any type, status, time period and more. So what you want to do is you first need to go to your account and go to the settings option by clicking on your account name in the top left corner of the screen. If you have a profile picture, the name will not be visible. You will be seeing a circle with a photo. If you don't have a photo, you will probably have your initials. Then what you need to do from there on, you need to open account and documents, select the statements and go to the transaction statements. Apply or remove the filters if you need to, and click the download button at the top of the screen to download a statement after you entered it. So you can choose to download statement as PDF or CSV file, and you also have an option to share the statement with email. If you do this, they highly recommend protecting your document with a password. Also, you can download statements from your dashboard. What you need to do is go to the dashboard, then click on the three dots at the button and also select statements and transaction statements. So statements are downloaded in the language your web app or mobile device is currently set to. To change the language on the web app, go to the settings, app settings and select language. Pick the language from the list. Mobile app language can be changed in your device settings. If you can't get a statement, you need permission to manage account to download statements. Ask your account owner or admin to grant your access. If you're still unable to get a statement, feel free to raise a support question. So guys, overall that is the entirety of the problem on how to download a statement. So thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye guys.